Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix sounds not working through speakers on iPad Air 2026. So first, check with these buttons on top of your iPad if it isn't muted. Oh, okay. Here you can see it on the top. And as you can see, it's not on mute, but we can scroll from the top right corner, and here we have the silent mode enabled, so disable it. Also here we have the volume and do not disturb mode, so you can change to personal mode. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.